Good day, everyone. We are the Group 5. I am Gerald Saluminis.
I am Christian J. Gildore. Today, we're going to discuss about the detention of Doña Teodora. So, Doña Teodora was born on November 9, 1827. Teodora Morales Alonso, the real name of Doña Teodora is Teodora Morales Alonso Rialonda Di Rizal y Quintos. Was born in Mese, Tondo, Manila. Second child of Lorenzo Alonso and Brigida de Quintos. Her husband was Francisco Mercado Villan Laguna in 1884. They settled in Calamba, Laguna, and to them were born 11 children, including Rizal. So, Doña Teodora and his brother was imprisoned together because of the malicious charge of trying to poison the latter's wife and the latter's perfidious wife. So this was because of the allegation of Teodora Formoso for accusing them of poisoning her. So Formoso was aided by a Spanish lieutenant Guardia Civil in order to file a case against Alberto and Lola. So Lola is si Doña Teodora. Then in the 1880s, she was again arrested for allegedly refusing to use her Spanish name Rizal. Instead of Rialonda de Rizal, she chose the name of Teodora Alonso. Teodora Alonso was forced to walk from Calamba to Santa Cruz at a distance of 50 kilometers. Four days later, she arrived at Santa Cruz and then freed by the Laguna governor.
Once again, good day, everyone. So the continue of the detention of Doña Teodora. Antonio Vivencio del Rosario, Calambas Gobernador Silio helped to arrest Doña Teodora. Doña Teodora was imprisoned for 2 years and 6 months. After 2 years of 6 months in prison, there has two famous lawyers who are helping Doña Teodora. His name are Francisco de Mercadia and Manuel Marzan, the famous lawyers of Manila that defend Doña Teodora. The impact of Doña Teodora detention, the injustice she suffered, the beacons of faith to her youngest son, Jose Rizal, whose silent vow of nationalism was unbreakable and inexorable in his forward march to the final conclusion of the death and heroism. The grim path of colonization down on Jose Rizal and pretend on him that true people would struggle for honesty and fairness. That's all for our report. God bless.